Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to elevate your graphics from basic to breathtaking, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to transform simple shapes into truly eye-catching designs using the Merge Shapes feature in Canva. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to combine, edit, and customize shapes to create unique visuals for all your projects, whether it's for social media, branding, or just getting creative. Let's jump right in. So first up, you'll want to head over to Canva. Just open up your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. It takes less than a minute to sign up, and there's a free version that works great for this tutorial. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Create a Design button. You'll usually find it right at the top right corner. Just click on that. Choosing the right size from the get-go helps a ton, especially if you want your final image to fit perfectly wherever you plan to use it. So let's go ahead and select Custom Size. For this demo, go with 500 by 500 pixels. This gives you a nice square canvas to play with, big enough for details but still easily shareable. Now click to create your new design. That's when you'll see your blank canvas pop up, and this is where the real fun begins. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see the Elements tab. Click it, and you'll get access to a massive library of shapes, lines, frames, and so much more. For today, stick with basic shapes like circles, rectangles, and triangles to start. Drag your first shape onto the canvas and feel free to resize it by pulling the corners or rotate it if you'd like. Here, where you get to put your creative spin on things, think of your shapes like building blocks. You can layer them, overlap, duplicate, or rotate them to start forming more complex designs. For example, try placing a circle on top of a square and experiment with different colors or transparency settings. If you want to cut a shape out of another, or merge two to form something new, play around with the position and arrangement. Canva doesn't have a dedicated merge button, but by overlapping shapes and carefully matching their colors or using transparency, you can create that merged look effortlessly. Take your time with this part. Experiment with the align tools to keep everything tidy. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just use the undo button or drag the shapes around until you're happy. Sometimes the best ideas happen by accident, so don't be afraid to mix things up. If you've seen a cool icon or logo somewhere, try recreating it by combining different shapes in unexpected ways. Once you're satisfied with how your new eye-catching shape looks, it's time to save your masterpiece. Click the Share button in the top right corner. From there, you'll find the option to download. For most uses, you'll want to pick PNG or JPG as your file format. PNG is perfect if you need transparency, like for stickers or logos, while JPG is a great default for most other uses. Just hit that download button and your custom shape is ready to go. And that's it. It's amazing how easy it can be to create truly unique graphics in Canva just by combining a few basic shapes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or cool shape combinations you'd like to share, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.